Today, I realized that you must not expect too much about your life. You know, life is reality, realidad. Therefore, life does not often come with leniency, kaluwagan ng buhay, and often comes with hardships. Puro kahirapan na nandito sa mundo. Someone who has a rock-like principle, ang batong di matibag, in life, is not willing to humble themselves, to accept that life is not according to their ideal life, but according to the general reality that humans are examined to become qualifiers to live in the heaven with the Lord. You know, the expectation of the child is incomparable to the reality that young adults, just like me, and adults experience. We thought before, bilang bata, syempre wala pa tayong muwang sa realidad, that being an architect only requires basic drawing skills. Nag-drawing ka lang, architect ka na agad. Being a doctor only requires basic information about the human body. Nag-review ka lang ng kaunti tungkol sa biology, ayos na agad. Doktor ka na agad. Being a graduate student, yung tapos na ng pag-aaral pero nag-further ng study for doctorate, only requires pen and paper to be educated. Hindi. Actually, we poured 2 buckets of sweat and tears for all the years you have been enduring in professing your career. It was also evident that everybody had their own personal problems they've been dealing at the same time they are studying. Imagine, ang utak natin ang daming laman sa mga panahong nag-aaral tayo at nagpo-profess. Hindi lang yung pag-aaral, kundi yung personal problem din natin iniisip natin. Paano natin mabibigyan ng solusyon? And then aside from choosing your career, is building your own family. Siyempre, tapos ka na mag-aral, financially stable ka na, akala mo pagkasal ka na, siyempre binata't dalaga pa tayo, wala pa tayong kamuwang-muwang sa realidad ng pag-aasawa. May karamay ka na agad sa ginhawa mo sa buhay, sa riwasa ng buhay mo. Pero hindi siya ganun. Naroon ang pagkiliti sa atin ng tukso. Kinikiliti tayo ng temptation para mapanghinaan tayo ng loob sa pagtataguyod sa ating mga pamilya. Maaaring natetempt tayong makiapid sa iba. Maaari ding sukuan natin ang pamilya natin sa dami ng gastusin sa bahay. Maraming factors. Kaya nga't hindi lang ginhawa ang nililita niya sa pagkakasal ng pari, kundi ang hirap din. Kasi bago ka guminhawa, dadanas ka na muna ng hirap, sapagkat ang mga taong hindi napasa ilalim ng kahirapan ay yung mga taong madalas na galit, impatient, wala silang wisdom, karunungan sa mga bagay na maaaring dumating sa kanilang buhay, because they know nothing but leniency. Therefore, life is the most difficult known examination for humans. For me, it does not only impart mathematical and linguistic skills, but it imparts a practical skill. Hindi siya TVL hindi rin siya TLE. A practical skill used not to cheat life, but to finish your term in this world as a good person. Long story short, life is hard.